Are your photos looking a little soft or blurry? Today I'm showing you how to sharpen any image in Photoshop 2025 using a flexible, professional technique. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to bring out crisp details in your pictures without making them look harsh or unnatural. Let's jump right in. First up, open your image in Photoshop. Now, rather than working directly on your original photo, we want to make a copy. This is a great habit because it protects your original layer in case you want to go back later. The quickest way. Just press Ctrl+J on Windows or CMD+J on Mac. You'll see a new layer appear above the background. This is your working layer. Now let's make this layer a smart object. Why? Because smart objects let you apply filters in a way that's non-destructive and editable. Think of it like wrapping your layer in bubble wrap. You can adjust or remove effects anytime without damaging the image underneath. To do this, right-click on your duplicated layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. If you ever want to tweak your settings later, this step makes it easy. Next, it's time for the magic, sharpening with a high-pass filter. Go to the top menu and select Filter, then Other, and choose High Pass. Your image will instantly turn gray. Don't panic, that's actually a good sign. The high-pass filter only shows the edges and details, which helps us sharpen without amplifying noise or colors. Now take a look at the radius slider in the high-pass dialog. This part controls how intense the sharpening effect is. A smaller radius, like 0.5 or 1, works for images with fine details like portraits or close-ups. For landscapes or architecture, sometimes going up to 7 works well, but avoid going too high or you'll get halos and an unnatural look. Slide the radius slowly and watch the preview. Stop when the edges in your image just begin to stand out, then click OK. Here's a key part. We need to blend that gray layer with our photo to reveal the sharpening. So go to your duplicated layer and up at the top of the Layers panel, change its blend mode from normal to linear light. Instantly, you'll see your image snap into sharper focus. If it looks way too intense, don't worry, you're not alone. Sometimes the effect is a bit much at first. Almost done. To fine-tune, lower the opacity of the sharpened layer. Start around 50%. This is usually a sweet spot, but feel free to adjust until your image looks just right. At this point, you can toggle the layer visibility on and off to compare before and after. Notice how the details are sharper, but your image still looks natural, and that's it. With just a few steps, you've made your photo sharper without overdoing it. Remember, this technique works on portraits, landscapes, and even graphics, so you can use it anytime you need a subtle boost in clarity. If this helped you improve your images, please give the video a like. Got questions or want advice on a tricky photo? Drop a comment below. I check and reply to all of them. And if you want more Photoshop tips and tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.